Nagdesisyon na mga residente ng New York City kung sino ang magiging bagong leader ng kanilang lungsod. At nanalo po si Democratic nominee Zoran Mamdani laban kina dating New York Governor Andrew Cuomo at Republican Curtis Sliwa. Mika Jumawa para sa karagdagang mga detalye.
Si Zoran Mamdani na ang bagong mayor ng New York. Tinalo ng 34-year-old na mambabatas sina Republican candidate Curtis Sliwa at ex-Governor Andrew Cuomo. Si Mamdani, na isang Democratic Socialist, ang 111th mayor ng lungsod. Nagsilbi siyang boses ng mga taga-New York na lulang-lula na sa mataas na presyo ng pamumuhay at dismayado sa dating leader nilang si Eric Adams. Ilang oras bago ang pagkapanalo ni Mamdani, tinuligsa niya ang pananalita ni Pangulong Donald Trump pagdating sa pondo ng lungsod.
I look forward to representing those New Yorkers and look forward to fighting for every single dollar this city is owed. What we see in the language of Donald Trump is a premise as if it is his decision on whether or not to fund a city the very money that this city is owed.
Idiniin ni Mamdani na bilang bagong mayor, hindi siya matatakot kay Trump.
And I look forward to utilizing every single tool at my disposal as the next mayor of this city to fight for the people of it. That means using the courts, that means using the bully pulpit, that means ensuring that we actually follow the letter of the law. And I know that doing so is something that threatens Donald Trump. It's why he's gone after Attorney General James, because she had the audacity to hold him to the same law that every New Yorker is held to. But I will not be intimidated by this president. I will not be intimidated by anyone, because my job here is to serve the people of the city.
Naunang inendorso ni Trump si Cuomo gabi bago ang botohan at sinabing walang ibang choice ang New Yorkers kundi iboto ang dating gobernador na tinalo ni Mamdani sa Democratic primary. Gayunman, lampas sa 2 milyon ang bumoto sa nasabing eleksyon, kauna-unahan mula noong 1969. Higit sa 1 milyon ang pumili kay Mamdani. Mika Jumawas para sa Mata ng Agila International, trusted, connected, on point.